sauce. This is grated pecorino romano cheese. Yeah, look how expensive that is. $12.49. So this better taste good. Whipping cream, I got butter, and then we're gonna add parsley to it too. Plus, I'm gonna add some meat. I want some chicken and shrimp, so I got me some colossal shrimp and some chicken thighs. I was thinking about doing the air fryer, but then it would taste good grilled, so I don't know, but this is it. Season it however you want to season it with. If you're not sure how to season your shrimp or your chicken, I have some ideas. This is what I use. I use Italian seasoning for both meats. Both meats I use Goya adobo seasoning. This basically has like garlic powder, salt, black pepper, everything. It has everything. That's good. Cayenne pepper, I just put on the shrimp. And then I put crushed red pepper on top of the chicken just because I want to see which one's better, if it's going to taste the same, like the same amount of spiciness. I don't know. I just got bored, but you can season it however you want. And you can cook it however you want as well. Okay, so to make the Alfredo sauce, you're going to need a large pot like this. Set your stove to like a low or 2. I put mine on 2. And then put 1 stick of butter or 1/4 pound of butter in here. And we're gonna wait for this to melt all the way before we add any more ingredients. Now that the butter is melted, we're gonna add the heavy whipping cream. So we're gonna add 3 cups. Pour all of it in there. And then we're just gonna stir it and wait for it to get warm. Once it gets warm, then we can add our cheese and salt and pepper if you feel like it needs salt. But just be careful, because if you're using the cheese that I'm using, which is this right here, grated pecorino romano cheese, apparently this cheese has a lot of salt in it, so I'm not going to add salt till like after I add the cheese. I'm going to taste it first to see. And then add black pepper if you like. You don't have to, but I'm going to. Okay, this is good to go, so we're going to add some cheese. Just add a little bit at a time, by the way. Don't add the whole entire container of cheese. So just stir it around, just add a little bit at a time until all the cheese is gone. Okay, so this is what the sauce looks like after adding the cheese. I did leave a little bit out though, because I'm going to put this on top of my pasta when I'm done. So anyways, once you're done, taste it, see if you feel like it needs salt. I'm gonna add a teeny bit of salt, not too much, because that cheese does have salt in it. So see, I'm just gonna put a little bit. That's perfect. And then black pepper, I'm gonna do that as well. Let's see, I'm gonna do fresh black pepper. Okay, once you're done adding the salt and pepper, you can add parsley if you want. I'm gonna add a little bit. And just whisk it in there. I'm also gonna add some garlic powder because my Alfredo sauce, I prefer it to be a little garlicky. And then just whisk it one more time. Now that your sauce is done, you can set it to the side and make your chicken or shrimp. Okay, so I preheated my air fryer on 380 degrees for 3 minutes for these chicken thighs. And now we're gonna put them in there for 12 minutes on the same temperature, so 380 degrees. And then once 12 minutes has passed, we're gonna flip the chicken over and then do it again at the same temperature for 6 minutes. Okay, so chicken is done, and now we're gonna cook our colossal shrimps. We're just gonna put it in the air fryer on 400 degrees for 5 minutes, so it shouldn't take us too long. Let's dig in. Let's try the noodles first. It is so good, and the noodles are perfect. All right, now let's try the chicken. Yeah, I'm glad I seasoned it with Italian seasoning. It was just perfect for this dish. And last but not least, the shrimp. These are big old colossal shrimps. Well, now you know how to make homemade pasta, and you can do it at home. Whether you have a pasta maker or not, you can do it the way I did it and impress your friends and family.